Foods to eat post-festival detox. Honey, lemon, and warm water, a morning ritual not to be missed. Take this drink on an empty stomach every morning to get rid of bloating, constipation, fat, and other problems. Mix some lemon juice with lukewarm water and drink it on an empty stomach every morning. It will not only help you clear out toxins, but it will also help you burn excess body fat and keep your digestive system happy. Cabbage. The fiber in the vegetable keeps your digestive system running smoothly and eliminates all toxins from your body. Consuming this zero-calorie food regularly lowers the risk of obesity, diabetes, and heart disease. Curd is a natural probiotic and contains friendly bacteria that are beneficial to your gut. It boosts your immunity, protects your system from harmful toxins, aids digestion, and cools your body. Beet juice can help athletes perform better, lower blood pressure, and increase blood flow. The high fiber content keeps the digestive tract healthy by preventing constipation and encouraging regularity. Fruits are high in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, which not only aid digestion but also improve the appearance of the skin and hair. Cinnamon is one of the healthiest spices you can use in your cooking. From being high in antioxidants to lowering the risk of cardiovascular disease and controlling blood sugar levels. Garlic aids in the maintenance of healthy liver function and is one of the foods that can help keep cholesterol under control. Green tea is high in antioxidants and helps to detoxify the body. It increases your metabolism and aids in the loss of excess weight. If you made it to this point, subscribe and share this video to your friends. Because I have a special gift for my subscribers in my next upload. Thanks.